Hi all, it's PJ, and this is the intro for the 8-inch block of the month club for March. I'm calling this set Crossed Carrots. So there's some fun script blocks, as you can see here, Farm Fresh Carrots. The way that I've set this up, you can use all of this together as one whole piece, or you could do just the Farm Fresh section. You could also use just the carrot section this way. This month I've also included some border blocks. So here's the border blocks. And I have some layouts that I'll show you that include the borders. There's also corners. So here are the corners. And the way that these are set up, when you stitch out the border block, it's going to be like this, and you use the same batting that you use in the standard blocks, and then you trim out here. So when these stitch together, this is going to be your outside, and you'll end up with batting in the outside, so your batting will go all the way up to your edge, so it will be like a proper quilt. And the same on the corners here, because you would trim inside here, and then this is your outside corner, which would have batting. So that's corners and borders, and they make very fun. You could use these also just as regular blocks if you want. They make very fun geometric shapes. These are actually, set up this way. So borders and corners. And there's tons of blocks this month. These blocks are what I call the multi-pass line, and these are a 7-pass, so it's a very thick, sturdy line, very defined. So those two designs. These are a little bit thinner. This is just a triple run line. These are also triple run line, but then there's a stem and some fills in here. And then this block, this is what I call my twofer blocks, because you can use this just as a stitch design. You can use this for rag edge applique. And if I bring this up a little bit closer, you can see here, this is trimmed at the edge, but it's the same design as this. It's just with some applique fabric and the rag edge. And then there is a raw edge design. And I've provided not only the patterns that you can use to cut out these shapes, also the SVG files if you happen to have a digital cutter. So that's the Crossed Carrots blocks for this month. Let's get started.